In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and review the critical path in a Smartsheet project sheet. To get started, open your Smartsheet project sheet. This should be the sheet you're using to manage your project timeline, tasks, and scheduling details. Before you move any further, take a moment to confirm that the key project columns are already in place. You'll want to make sure you have start date, end date, duration, and predecessors set up correctly. These fields are essential because Smartsheet uses them to understand how tasks are connected and how changes to one task can affect the rest of the schedule. Once those columns are ready, go ahead and open Project Settings. This is where Smartsheet controls the scheduling behavior for your sheet. Inside Project Settings, turn on dependencies. This step is important because dependencies allow tasks to be linked together, which is what makes critical path analysis possible. Without dependencies enabled, Smartsheet can't calculate which tasks have the biggest impact on the final project deadline. After that, switch to Gantt view. The Gantt view gives you a visual timeline of your project and makes it much easier to see task relationships, date changes, and the overall schedule. It's also the view where critical path information is typically displayed most clearly. Now, look for the option to enable or view the critical path if it's available in your sheet. Depending on your setup or plan, this may appear as a display setting or a project view option. When it's turned on, Smartsheet will highlight the tasks that are considered critical. These are the tasks that directly affect the project finish date, meaning if any one of them is delayed, the entire project could be delayed as well. Take some time to review the highlighted tasks carefully. This is where the critical path becomes especially useful. It helps you identify which activities need the closest attention, which deadlines are least flexible, and where project risk is concentrated. If you're managing multiple moving parts, this view can help you prioritize your follow-up and make smarter scheduling decisions. As a final tip, remember that the critical path can change as your project evolves. If task dates, durations, or dependencies are updated, the highlighted path may shift too. That's why it's a good idea to revisit it regularly as part of your project tracking process. By keeping an eye on these critical tasks, you'll have a clear understanding of what drives your timeline and where to focus to keep your project on schedule.